Hello everyone, Sharif Abuzid here with a new video as usual, and today I want to speak about the best 3 WordPress themes that I highly recommend you choose one of them and study it well for your WordPress website. But not only this, also I'm going to tell you about the criteria that I consider when selecting a WordPress theme or a plugin before installing it inside any of my WordPress websites or my clients' websites as well. When I first started using WordPress, one of the biggest challenges I suffered from was taking a decision to install this theme or choosing this plugin, because there are thousands of WordPress themes and plugins that we can choose from. But there are certain criteria that I always consider when choosing these themes and plugins, which I'm going to tell you right now. Now let's start with the first 3 WordPress themes that I highly recommend that you study and choose for your next WordPress project or website. The first one is the Kadence theme. If you have been watching any of my recent videos, you already know that I highly recommend choosing or using Kadence theme because it is a very reliable theme. The people or the team behind the theme is very trustworthy. I've been using their products for, I think, for the last 8 or 9 years before even the Kadence theme was introduced into the WordPress space. Now this is a free theme. There are premium version, but still the free version of Kadence theme is fair enough. You can just start using it to build your WordPress website. If we go to the WordPress.org repository, I'm going to tell you now the criteria that I always consider when choosing any of these themes. The first one is that I take a look and see if the theme has been updated or is being updated regularly, because by the end of the day, any WordPress theme or plugin is a piece of software, and this needs to be updated for security reasons, for making sure that they are speed enough when building my own website. So I have a look and take a look at the date of the last update of the WordPress theme, and this one was updated, I think, like a week ago or even like 5 days ago. So this makes sure that this is fair enough for me to choose the Kadence theme. The next criterion that I consider is the active installations, and the theme now is active in more than 200,000 websites, and this is a very large number as well. The last criteria that I have a look is the ratings. So I always have a look at how many ratings or how many 4 or 5 stars that this theme or plugin has, because it gives me an indication of how reliable and responsive is the theme behind this WordPress theme or plugin. And as you can see, there are more than 187 5-star ratings, and this is satisfactory for me as a person. So I highly recommend that you start using the Kadence theme if you are trying to make a decision which theme that you like to use. The second theme that I highly recommend is the Astra theme. I was one of the first people who started using the Astra theme when it was introduced in the WordPress community, and the Brainstorm Force, which is the company behind this theme, they have a ton of products that integrates with the Astra theme, and the theme is very reliable. They have a great support as well. You can always reach out to them for the free version inside the WordPress.org website or through their paid support products if you have bought any of their products. Now when we go to the WordPress.org website and have a look over here, you'll find that the theme was updated in September, which is almost like a month ago, and this is a good indication of the updates. That this is a good indication that the theme is being updated usually. And also for the active installations, the theme is currently installed in more than 1 million websites, and this is an amazing number, or I think this is the biggest number of installations a free theme has inside WordPress.org. And for the 5 stars ratings or the 4 stars ratings, you'll find that the theme has received more than 5,000 5-star ratings. So this is a very reliable theme, and the support is responsive. The last theme that I highly recommend is the Blocksy theme, and this is one of the best free themes that you can use. It is somehow similar to Kadence and Astra, but this is a more very modern theme, and it is being updated from time to time, and the theme is reliable as well. If you go to wordpress.org, you'll find that the theme was last updated in the 28th of September, which is almost like 10 days now. And also the theme currently is installed in more than 100,000 websites, and it has received more than 705 stars, which shows again this is a highly or a very reliable WordPress theme. If you are going to ask me which theme that I highly recommend, I think most of you know the answer, and my answer is the Kadence theme. And the reason that I highly recommend using the Kadence theme is the philosophy of the theme developer. As I mentioned, I have been using the products of the team behind Kadence WP for many years now, and I know their philosophy, which is that they try to produce free products that will enable the users of these free products to have a very reliable and professional looking WordPress website that will help them generate income and build authority without even paying for any of their products. So usually the free products of the Kadence WP is fully featured. It has a ton of features that you will not find inside other WordPress themes. For example, I know that the header module of the Kadence WP is better than Astra and Bloxy as well, and some of other features as well. So if you are going to choose one of these themes, personally I would choose the Kadence WP because it is a very reliable theme and it has a ton of features. If you like to actually install the theme, this is a very easy process. All you need to do is that you go to your WordPress dashboard, go to appearance, and then choose themes, and here you need to click add new and search for the Kadence WP by adding it in the search themes bar here, or maybe you'll find it under the very popular WordPress themes, and all you have to do is to click install here, and then you need to activate the WordPress theme. So let's click activate to activate the theme, and once you do this, maybe you'll find this message that says install Kadence starter templates, which is a plugin that will help you or will give you access to ready-made templates of the Kadence theme that you can actually start using and building your WordPress website. So I just click install Kadence starter templates here, or you know what, if you don't find this message, you can just go to plugins and click add new and search for the Kadence starter template. So let's go here and search for Kadence starter templates plugin, and this is the plugin, and this is the plugin. Let me just find, this is the plugin. We just click install now, and then we need to activate the plugin to have access to a ton of free templates. Once we do this, we can just go to appearance and click starter templates, and here you'll find a ton, I think more than 50 templates that you can choose from, and all of these are free. Of course, we have here, you can sort by the free and pro. Let's choose the free ones. So all of these are free templates that you can install right away. If you like to install one of these, all you need to do is that you need to select it, and here you can even change or select another group of colors or the color palette. If we choose this one, you'll find that the color palette or the colors of the theme has been applied. For example, this is the background of the button. If we choose this one, you'll find that the colors have changed. If you like to install this, you just click install site installation. By the way, you will find another tab called the required plugins, and this will show you if the theme or if this starter template needs any other plugins to be installed. And here this says, or this template says, that we need to have the Kadence blocks installed, and it's not currently not installed here. And the Kadence blocks is a plugin that can help you design your website pages. So let's click full website to install all of the website, and let's disregard this and skip and start importing. Now we need to give it some time to start installing the Kadence blocks plugin and also installing or importing the content. and in a few seconds or even minutes, depending on your internet connection and server, we'll have access to a fully featured or a complete website that we can start only editing the content to have our website ready. So let me just wait for a few seconds here. Once the template has been installed, you'll find this message which says finished, view your website. So let's open this in a new tab here, and here you'll find a complete website has been installed. If you like to, and before I show you how you can edit this, you'll find that there is a home page, about page, portfolio, blog, and a number of pages here, and the contact us page. So let's open the services page, for example. This is the services page. If you like to edit any of these pages, you just click the edit page here, and the page will open. And because we have installed the Kadence Blocks plugin, now we can start using it to edit our content. If you like to edit this content, you just need to choose it, and let's say our professional services. So let's say professional services. Let me just fix this. If you like to decrease the size of this, you'll find here in the right side bar different options that you can choose from. So let me choose large. So now this is a large, and if you like to choose to change any of these images, you just find out where it was added. So for example, this is an image, we can just click replace and choose another page. Again, these are my most recommended WordPress themes. The first one is the Kadence theme, and the second one is the Astra theme, and the third one is the Bloxy theme. Personally, I like to use the Kadence theme because this is a very fast theme, a very reliable theme. It is being updated regularly to make sure that my website is secured and also is very fast website. So back to you. Let me know in the comments below which theme that you like to know more about, and which theme that you have decided to use for your next WordPress websites. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.